up, the kiddos? This morning, the Twinkle Time Kids Show is coming to town, but we've got a little sneak peek right here. Joining us this morning is Twinkle herself. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having us. This is our first time here, and we're super excited.
You guys are so bright and so colorful. I love this. We need this every morning to wake up here. This is great. Now, tell me about your show. It's bilingual. That's kind of unusual.
It's bilingual. We're from Los Angeles. It's a high-energy, educational, bilingual pop music show for kids. And so we're super excited to be here. We're performing all weekend long, so definitely bring the kids.
Wonderful. And where can people catch you?
Tomorrow, Friday, we're performing at the Louisiana Children's Museum at 11 a.m. And then at 6 p.m. we're at the Esplanade Mall. So come on down. We're going to do a show, and we're going to be selling our CDs. And then we also will be at the Memorial Convention Center for the NCLR Family Latino Expo. We're performing at 11 on Saturday, and then at 4:30 on Saturday, and then on Sunday at 11 and at 3:30.
Oh, wow. So lots of chances for folks to come out and catch you guys.
Yes, and everything is free except for the Children's Museum. It's an $8 admission, but all the other shows are totally free.
Well, and if you're going out to the Children's Museum, there's so much other stuff to do there as well.
It's so much fun.
Great location. So y'all are going to perform a little bit for us this morning. What do you have?
Excited. It's called Fun in the Sun from our second CD called Made in the USA.
Okay, well, Twinkle, take it away.
Yay!
Come on, we're packing up the car.